Hello friends, it's July 8th. I'm going to give you a July update for my plants. Here we have eggplants. Look at how many eggplants we have. The hot peppers. Look at how many hot peppers in one plant. I have 4, 6, 8, 10. Like I have around 12 plants. Going to get a lot of hot peppers. We got here sesame leaves. How healthy they are. I planted some lettuces here. We have crunchy peppers, a lot of them. We've already been eating a lot of our fruits and veggies. Basil is doing good. Parsley, lettuce. I have more lettuce planted here. Some tomatoes. Got a lot of tomatoes. Tomatoes also. Cherry tomatoes. We have squash, round squash. We already took a lot of them. A lot of them are coming out. It's a long squash. A lot of them also. We got cucumbers here. Got a lot of more eggplants here. A lot of eggplants here. More lettuce. The mustard greens. More cucumbers. I've been seeing these spotted lanternflies lately. So I find one or two every day. I use this formula. I'm going to leave the recipe for this formula at the end of the video, because they suck on the plant, then they kill the plant. So we have to get rid of this. They don't bite, so you could kill them by hand. Once you spray, they get numb, and also they cannot breathe, so they'll die anyway. We got more eggplants here. Eggplants here. Plants. These are shishito peppers. I call them twisted peppers. We have jalapenos here. Yes. More cherry tomatoes all over. More cherry tomatoes. Look how many. Here too. All cherry tomatoes. Okay. I'll update again at the end of, at the beginning of August again. Thank you for watching. Every day I find one or two spotted lanternflies on my cucumbers. I've been spraying them with the neem oil and dish soap formula to get rid of them. So what I do is I mix 1 tablespoon of neem oil, 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, and I put them in a water bottle, spray bottle, fill it with water, and then every time you use, you kind of shake it like this, and spray directly on those spotted lanternflies. Don't spray all over your plant because it might damage your leaves. Just spray directly on the spotted lanternfly. And what the oil and the dish soap will do is they will prevent them from breathing, and then they will die. So you have to check your plants every day and check for those pests.